Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book where the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Monday, 21st October 2024. The topic wey dey before us na the challenges of success, part 3. Our memory verse dey for Luke chapter 6 verse 26. Cause say una head, una wey people dey talk good things about, because na so their grandpapa dem talk about the fake prophets too. Our Bible reading dey for Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 3 and Acts chapter 12 verse 21 to 24. For Acts chapter 12 verse 1 to 3, Bible talk say, for that time, King Herod catch some people wey dey go church. He come say he go kill them. He kill James wey be John brother with sword. When he see say the Jew people happy with wetin he do, he come arrest Peter too. This thing happen for the time when they dey do the bread wey no get yeast feast. Acts chapter 12 verse 21 to 24 say, when the day wey dem gree to meet am don reach, Herod come wear him king dress and they come sit down for him throne. They follow them talk. But as they talk, the people wey gather come dey shout, na God dey talk so, no be man. At once, God angel come knack Herod fall for ground because he no give God glory, and plenty worms come dey chop him body till he die. Now the message. Today, I go complete the teaching about the challenges wey dey if person dey successful. We go look temptation to dey enjoy man praise and you no return glory give God. When you become successful, people go dey praise you with plenty praise, and dem fit even dey praise you for the things wey no be you do. For example, after David kill Goliath, some women start to dey sing, Saul don kill thousands but David don kill 10,000 so. Even though e dey clear say na God na him make am win Goliath. This one puts David for trouble with Saul. Saul come dey look for how he go kill am. This one dey for 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 6 to 9. Dey careful about men praises so. Sometimes you no go fit stop them, but no even pay attention to them, because the moment when you start to dey pay attention, you go come dey feel as if say you dey on top the world, and before you know am, you go dey receive the glory instead make you dey give am to God. Na men praises na him put Herod for trouble wey be say worms dey chop am in front of the people wey dey praise am. We see this one for Acts chapter 12 verse 22 to 23. You fit become used to men praises wey be say you go wan always dey hear am all the time. King Saul wan please people all the time, so they go continue to dey praise am. He do am so tey he disobey God. We go see this one for 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 24. If you dey do well, people go praise you as if say you be the best for this world. But make you dey careful, because the moment when you dey used to am and e drive you comot for God's will, your eye go come open say na ordinary dust na you be o. E get one man wey dem dey always talk about say e dey as powerful as my papa in the Lord, Pa Josiah Akindayomi those days. But this man come allow make the praises of the people enter him head, and last he carry large amount of the people wey dey church comot for church. But by the time this man go die, the people wey remain for him church no reach 50. 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 11 tell us say some kind things dey happen to some people, so we go fit learn from them. No dey lis ten to praise of people, as they go make you start to dey do some kind things wey go make you regret last if you no dey careful. Remember say those people wey dey shout Hosanna today, they fit turn their back tomorrow come dey shout crucify am, crucify am. E no too good to trust men praises so. The main point for today's message be say the praise of men don destroy many people for past. No let them destroy you too o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Nothing in my hand I bring, Simply to the cross I cling, naked, calm,